Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look into the 10 focus stocks picked by Motilal Oswal. So Motilal Oswal has picked 10 stocks post this December quarter. So after the results, Motilal has picked 10 stocks and they feel that these stocks will give us very good returns. So we'll get in and see which are those stocks and a quick review of it. So let's get started. So the stock price is as of 22nd Feb 2019. So the first stock in the list is ICICI Bank. So its current share price is 697 rupees. The 52-week low is 477, whereas the high is 734. The industry PE is 34, whereas the company PE is 184. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 4. And the TTM EPS is 1.78. The promoter holding is 23%. And mutual fund investment is 26,664 crores. Returns for 1 year it is given as a return of 30%, for 3 years 21%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 23%. So you all can see it is given as a very good return. Next one on the list is ICICI Bank. So its current share price is 351 rupees. The 52-week low is 256, whereas the high is 383. The industry PE is 34, whereas the company PE is 66. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 4%, and the TTM EPS is 5. The promoter holding 0% here because there are no promoters. FIIs and DIIs hold more percentage and others. So only these three categories have the stock. So there is no promoter holding here. 48,953 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns for 1 year it is given as a return of 10%, for 3 years 24%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 13%. Next one is State Bank of India. So its current share price is 268 rupees. The 52-week low is 232, whereas the high is 325. The industry PE is 8, whereas the company PE is nil, because we will get to know later why there is no company PE here. The PB is 1.15. The ROCE is 4%, and the TTM EPS is minus 7.53. So this is the reason we are not able to calculate the PE. The promoter holding is 58%. And 34,494 crores has been invested in this stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns for 1 year it is minus 1.94%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive, in which for 3 years it is given as a return of 17%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 12%. So you all can see the first 3 are banks, and all 3 banks have given very good returns by holding it for long term, because when comparing it to FD and RD rates given by those banks itself. Next one on the list is LIC Housing Finance. The current share price is 462. The 52-week low is 387, whereas the high is 583. The industry PE is 20, whereas the company PE is 10. The PB is 1. The ROCE is 9%, and the TTM EPS is 45. The promoter holding is 40%. Mutual fund investment is 1,601 crores, and the returns for 1 year it is negative, which is minus 9%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive. For 3 years it is not that good return because it is given only 3%, but for 5 years it is given as a return of 18%. Next one on the list is Titan Company. Its current share price is 1,043. The 52-week low is 731, whereas the high is 1,076. The industry PE is 78, whereas the company PE is 67. The PB is 18. The ROCE is 24. And the TTM EPS is 15. The promoter holding is 52%. 5,156 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. Returns: for 1 year it is given as a return of 26%, for 3 years 45%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 34%. So next one on the list is Maruti Suzuki India. So its current share price is 6,802. The 52-week low is 6,324, whereas the high is 9,922. The industry PE is 23, whereas the company PE is 27. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 23. And the TTM EPS is 251. So there is no Indian promoter here. It is foreign promoter, which is 56%. And mutual fund investment is 11,542 crores. Returns: for 1 year it is negative, which is minus 22%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive. For 3 years it is given as a return of 23%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 32%. Next one on the list is Mahindra and Mahindra. So its current share price is 634. The 52-week low is 619, whereas the high is 992. The industry PE is 23, whereas the company PE is 16. The PB is 1. The ROCE is 13. And the TTM EPS is 60. The promoter holding is 21%. 8,379 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns: for 1 year it is minus 10%. 3 and 5 years are positive returns, but not that good returns, because for 3 years it is given only a return of 1%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 6%. Next one on the list is Tech Mahindra. So its current share price is 820. The 52-week low is 591, whereas the high is 824. The industry PE is 23, whereas the company PE is 18. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 24%. The TTM EPS is 49. The promoter holding is 35%. Mutual fund investment is 6,503 crores. Returns: for 1 year it is given as a return of 37%, for 3 years 22%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 12%. Next one on the list is Coal India. So its current share price is 213 rupees. The 52-week low is 212, whereas the high is 316. So you all can see the stock is in its 52-week low. The industry PE is 11, whereas the company PE is 10. The PB is 6. The ROCE is 45. And the TTM EPS is 20. The promoter holding is 72%. And the mutual fund investment in the stock is 7,181 crores. And returns: this stock is not given any positive returns for the past 5 years. For 1 year it is given as a return of minus 31%, for 3 years minus 11%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of minus 3%. Next one and the last one on the list is Bharti Airtel. So its current share price is 309 rupees. The 52-week low is 277, whereas the high is 436. The industry PE is 281, whereas the company PE is 326. The PB is 1. The ROCE is 7%. And the TTM EPS is 0.96. The promoter holding is 57%. 10,589 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns: for 1 and 3 years it is negative, which is for 1 year it is given as a return of minus 26%, and for 3 years it is given as a return of minus 1%. For 5 years it is positive, but the return is just 1%. Not that good returns. So these are the 10 stocks chosen by Motilal Oswal post these December quarter results. So I think in those many stocks they have been suggesting again and again. They've been picking Maruti, Suzuki, Titan, Axis, all these stocks again and again from the Diwali picks. Till now they've been picking it again and again, and they feel that these stocks will give us very good return in the near future. So if at all you all want to invest in any of these stocks, please do your research and then start investing, as this is not a stock recommendation from our side. Motilal Oswal feels that these stocks will give us very good returns in the future. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.